friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. We have exercise number 5 for chapter number 12. In this exercise we will learn that how to edit parcel using grips. Grips are very easy and nice tool to edit anything in Civil 3D. Before starting, if you are new on my YouTube channel, you can subscribe Civil 3D Pro Designer to start from chapter number 1 to chapter number 18 for complete Civil 3D course. Let's start our exercise for chapter number 12. Graphically editing parcel is fairly simple when compared to editing alignments or profile. There are only two types of grips to learn: the square grips and diamond shaped grip for the parcel. The square grip is simply the standard grip that allows movement in any direction with no restrictions. The diamond shaped grip is displayed on parcel line that have been created using the Parcel Layout Tools. These grips slides one parcel line along another parcel line or curve while maintaining the angle like perpendicular with any line between two lines. Also, before starting this exercise, you must need to download this drawing for practice. You can download this drawing from the description. I will put the link. Just click and download this drawing. When you will open, you will see something like this. Okay, we will practice grips for parcels actually in this drawing, that how can we edit our parcel using grips. For example, I want to change something in this parcel property number 18. I will click here to select, and it will show you some commands on contextual tab. For now I don't need that. I just want to edit that parcel with grips. Just press escape and now select this segment of parcel. You can see we have two grips. Once you will catch a grip, you will put something here and you can see the parcel can be modified accordingly. You can also change this one and you can see the parcel. Also, these are actually square grips we can be used to edit the parcels. Now press escape and then another segment of the southern side. When you will click here, you can see here we have just one grip which called diamond grip. When you will catch this grip, just put your cursor and it will get pink. It means now you have catch. Then press right click on this and you can see you can move it. It's staying perpendicular to every line. Either you can go to the curve area, it will stay same. For example, I want to put this line here, it will stay same perpendicular with these curves also. When I will put here, you can see it's create a new parcel which called property number 31 and its area. If I want to put something like here, it will change with area and property number. So we have two types of grips to change and modify our parcel: square grip and diamond grips. Hope it will better for you to create parcel and edit parcel using grips.